Welcome back, student. Now we'll continue doing practice time 11 of page number 103. See, A. Draw and find the answers for the following. 1/3 divided by 5. What is this? This is a dividing a fraction by a whole number. We are dividing fraction by a whole number. How to do? By using diagram. See, I have done here. This is 1/3, means one part has to be shaded out of the three given parts. Okay, this is 1/3, and further it has to be divided into 5 parts. This shaded part has to be further divided into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, I have done here. So 1/3 divided by 5. So what will be your answer? See, 5 is a whole number. What we have to assume that there is 1 in the denominator of the whole number, that is 5/1. Same way we have to write 1/3. This division sign will be changed to multiplication sign, and we have to write the reciprocal of this number 5/1, which is 1/5. Hope you have understood this math, student. Then 1 1s are is 1 and 3 5s are is 15. So answer is 1/15. Second sum I will show you, that is 1/5 divided by 4. This is 5 parts. Out of it, one part has to be shaded, which I have done. Then for the 1/5 divided by 4, it has to be divided into 4 parts. This 1/5 has to be divided into 4 parts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to show this diagram in this way, and then you have to solve. So 1/5 divided by 4 is, see, you have to write 1/5 as it is. Division sign will be changed to multiplication sign, and here 4/1. We have to assume that there is 1 in the denominator, and we have to write the reciprocal of it. Okay, we have to write what? Reciprocal of it. So I'll write it here so that you can understand. This is the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 4/1? It is 1/4, which is also known as multiplicative inverse, isn't it? So 1/1 is 1 and 5 4s are is, 1 1s are is 1 and 5 4s are is 20. So answer is 1/20. Okay. So sum number 3 and 4 you can do it as homework. Now B, divide without the diagram by finding the reciprocal. So no need to draw the diagram, directly we have to find out the answer. First and second I will show you how. See, same way we have to do. Right, 1/2, division sign has to be changed to multiplication, and 6, we have to assume that there is 1 in the denominator of this whole number 6. This will be 1/6. 6/1, the reciprocal of this will be 1/6. 1 1s are 1 and 2 6 are is 12. It's very easy, student. And second is 1/3 divided by 5. Same way, same method, we have to write 1/3 multiply by 1/5, that is 1/15. Okay, so 3 and 4 you can do it as homework. Now solve the following by using diagrams. See, we are dividing the fractions, dividing a fraction by a fraction. That is, first one is 1/4 divided by 1/5. See how you have to do. This is 1/4 and this is 1/5. 1 2 3 4 5 parts, and this is 1 2 3 4 parts. One part has been shaded here, and here also one part has been shaded. So how we will write? We have to write the question. Same way, division sign will be changed to multiplication, and we have to write the reciprocal of this. 1 5s are 5 and 4 1s are 4. Answer is 5/4. Second sum, same way, 1/5 divided by 1/6. You have to solve this sum by using diagrams, so we have to show the diagrams. Okay, so 1/5 means, see, I have done here one part out of the 5 parts and one part out of the 6 parts, this way. Hence, copy the question, convert the division sign into multiplication, and write the reciprocal of the given fraction. So 1 6 are 6 and 5 1s are 5. Answer is 6/5. So sum number 3 and 4 you can do it using the same method. See, you can see the example given here, and you can solve in this way. Then D, divide without using the diagrams. So without using the diagrams, it's also very easy. Convert this division sign into multiplication. See, I have done the first and second sum. Third and fourth you do it or try it on your own. See, 1 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 5 is 1 upon 3 will remain as it is. Division sign will be changed to multiplication sign, and we have to write the reciprocal of the fraction. 2 upon 5 will be 5 upon 2. And then multiply 1 5s are 5 and 3 2s are 6. Answer is 5 upon 6. Same way, second sum, 1 upon 5 divided by 3 upon 4, which is equal to 1 upon 5 will remain as it is. This division sign will be changed to multiplication sign, and we have to write the reciprocal of 3 upon 4, which is 4 upon 3. So 1 4s are is 4 and 5 3s are is 15. Answer is 4 upon 15. Isn't it, students? So 3 and 4, you can do it as homework. Now we'll move on to the next page, that is word problems. See example. Sean had 120 marbles with him. His sister wanted some, so he gave 1/3 of them to her and took the rest to play with his friends. Two of his friends wanted some marbles, so he gave each of them 1/4 of the marbles and kept the rest with him. How much did he keep for himself, and what fraction of the marbles was that from what he took to play? See, one by one we'll go. Solution is number of marbles with Sean. How many marbles he had? 120 marbles. So number of marbles Sean gave to his sister. So his sister wanted some. He gave 1/3 of them to her. So what will be the 1/3 of 120? See, 1 upon 3 multiplied by 120. It will be 40. 3 40s are is 120. So Sean gave to his sister how many marbles? 40 marbles. Now, number of marbles left with Sean is how many? 120 minus 40 is 80 marbles is left with him now. So, number of marbles Sean gave to each of his friends. How many marbles he gave? Each of them 1/4 of the marbles. So, 80. 1/4 of 80 we have to do, that is 20. Now, marbles left with Sean is how many? 80 minus 40 is 40. So each friend got 20 marbles, means 40 marbles. So 80 minus 40 we have to do. And fraction of the marbles left is 40 upon 80 is half. Half marble is left. Okay, this way we have to solve the word problems. So we'll do the practice time 12. A. Amrit read 1/5 of a book on Monday and 2/7 of it on Tuesday. Find what part of the book he completed reading. This also I have done. I'll show you how. See, part of a book read by Amrit on Monday is 1/5, and part of a book read on Tuesday is 2/7 part, isn't it? Now, for what we have to do, we have to find the LCM of this 5 and 7, which is 35. Same way, we have to see 35 as the common denominator. So 1/5 we have to write it here, and to get the answer 35, what we have to do, we have to multiply 5 by 7. 5 7s are is 35, and multiply this 7 to the numerator also, that is 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. Same way here also for 2/7 we get 10 upon 35. Now what we have to do, we have to add these two fractions, 7 upon 35 plus 10 upon 35. That is 7 plus 10 upon 35, which is 17 upon 35. Answer is 17 upon 35 part of the book Amrit completed reading, isn't it? Now B, I will solve it later. I'll show you C. Neha's mother bought 4 2 upon 9 kg of tomatoes, 3 2 upon 9 kg of onions, and 5 1 upon 6 kg of cauliflower. Now calculate the total weight of vegetables she bought. What we have to do, we have to find out the total weight of the vegetables. Let us see. See, Neha's mother bought tomatoes. What is the kg? 4 2 upon 9. Some mixed fraction, we have to convert it into improper fraction, which you know. 9 4s are plus 2. 9 4s are plus 2. 9 4s are is 36 plus 2 is 38 upon 9. Similarly, she bought onions. How many kgs? 3 2 upon 9 kg. If it is converted into an improper fraction, we get 29 upon 9. And she bought cauliflower 5 1 upon 6 kg. Again, what's the answer? It is 31 upon 6. What we have to do, we have to find the total weight of vegetables, isn't it? So we have to add these fractions, but here only 9 and 9, these are common fractions, isn't it? 9 is common, or we can say they are like fractions, and 31 upon 6 is unlike fraction. So first we have to add this like fraction and then find out the answer. It is 67 upon 9, and then we have to write the unlike fraction, that is 31 upon 6. Now we have to find out the LCM of 9 and 6, which I have found out. It is 18. Okay. Same method, we have to see the denominator 18 common. 9 2s are is 18 and 67 2s are is 134. And for 31 upon 6 also, see 18 as the common denominator. So 6 3s are is 18 and 31 3s are is 93. Now again we got the like fraction as denominator is common. We can add these numbers, these two fractions. We got 227 upon 18. Now we want the answer in mixed fraction or mixed number. What we have to do? We have to divide and find out the answer. This divisor 18 will come in the denominator, 12 will come here, and the remainder will go in the numerator. That is 1211 upon 80 kgs of vegetables were brought by Neha's mother. Okay. Now D. Tina spends half hour studying English and 3/4 hours studying maths. How many hours does she study in all? So this also I have done. Tina spends time in studying English is 1 upon 2 hours, and she spends time to study maths is 3 upon 4 hours. Same way we have to find out the LCM, which is 4, and see the denominator 4 should be common. So this way you have to solve this. You might have practiced many times, so I have already done. So what we have to do? We have to add these fraction 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 4, which is 5 upon 4 hours. So she studied 5 upon 4 hours in all. If we want, we can convert it into mixed fraction as well, that is 1 upon 4 hours. Okay. So fifth E, this sum you try to do it on your own, student. Okay. And learning beyond, I will continue it in the next video. Till then you can do whatever has been taught to you. Thank you.